Are you ready to witness the future of smartphones? Because today, we're diving into the upcoming Google Pixel 10 Pro, and trust me, this is the phone that might just change the way we look at performance, AI, and mobile innovation forever. Now imagine a phone so smart that it doesn't just respond to you but actually predicts what you need next. That's exactly what Google is pushing with the Pixel 10 Pro. Right out of the box, the design is sleek, premium, and futuristic, featuring a nearly bezel-less display with a stunning 6.9-inch QHD+ OLED panel that supports a silky smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors and crystal clarity whether you're gaming, streaming, or scrolling through your socials. Powering this beast is Google's latest custom-made Tensor G5 chip, optimized for AI and machine learning, making everyday tasks faster, smarter, and more efficient while also boosting battery optimization and security features. Speaking of battery, the Pixel 10 Pro is rumored to come with a massive 5,500 mAh cell, paired with hyper-fast charging and improved wireless charging speeds, giving you all-day endurance without worrying about carrying your charger everywhere. But here's where things get really exciting: the cameras. Google has always been known for redefining mobile photography, and the Pixel 10 Pro takes it to the next level with a triple camera system that includes a 200MP main sensor, a powerful periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, and an ultra-wide sensor with upgraded low-light capabilities. Combined with Google's advanced AI photo processing, you can expect jaw-dropping night shots, cinematic 8K video recording, and even an AI-powered editing tool that lets you remove or replace objects from your photos in real time. Imagine capturing a crowded street photo and then erasing the entire background with one tap. That's the kind of game-changing feature we're talking about. And performance? With up to 16 GB RAM and storage options hitting 1 TB, multitasking will be smoother than ever, and gaming performance is expected to rival dedicated handheld consoles, all while maintaining low heat thanks to a new cooling system. Now here's where I want to keep you on the edge of your seat: the launch date. While Google hasn't officially confirmed it yet, leaks suggest the Pixel 10 Pro will hit the market around October 2025, perfectly aligning with Google's yearly launch tradition. But here's the twist: rumors also hint at a special edition with exclusive AI-driven features that could be revealed as a surprise during the event. Can you imagine being one of the first people to get their hands on it? That's not just a phone, that's history in your pocket. And let's not forget about the software. Android 16 paired with exclusive Pixel-only features like live translation on calls, AI-powered personal assistants, and voice cloning for accessibility, making this phone not just a device, but a complete digital companion. Now here's something I want to tease for all of you watching till the very end. Google might secretly be testing an under-display camera system that could debut on the Pixel 10 Pro, which means a true full-screen experience with no cutouts or punch holes, a surprise that could blow away all competition if confirmed. So, the question is, are you ready to upgrade and experience the future? Because the Pixel 10 Pro doesn't just look like a phone, it feels like a revolution waiting to happen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And here's the big surprise for those who stayed till the end. I'll be dropping a comparison video of the Pixel 10 Pro versus the iPhone 17 Pro as soon as it launches, and you won't want to miss who actually comes out on top. So stick around because the best is yet to come.